Did you know? When brushing your teeth, you should use a toothbrush and not a 2001 Suzuki SV650S in blue. This is because a 2001 Suzuki SV650S in blue is a motorcycle and not actually a toothbrush. Instead, you should use a toothbrush because a toothbrush is a toothbrush.
If you're about to be robbed, pretend you know the thief. They will get confused, giving you about 15 seconds to react in this situation. Facts that could save your life. If you see a lot of birds gathered on buildings or houses, stay alert. Birds don't group together without a reason, and this could be a sign of an upcoming flood. Be careful when speaking near Alexa. Everything you say is stored in a database and could be used against you in the future. Your phone may have an app that is hacking you. To check this, go to Share, scroll to the end, and click More. If you find any suspicious apps, delete them immediately because your phone is being hacked at this moment. If you think someone is following you, enter the nearest store and wait a few minutes. If the person also stops, they are probably following you. Want to know what happened in your past life? Comment. In my past life, it happened. And let your keyboard's autocorrect complete the sentence. It will tell you what happened. And before we reveal the last fact, click follow so you don't miss any new videos, and rate this video from 0 to 10. If your car falls into the water, quickly open a window. Otherwise, the pressure difference will be too strong, trapping you inside and possibly costing you your life.
Did you know that if you are making cookies and you want to make them sweeter, you should not add 15 habanero peppers? This is because habanero peppers would make it spicy. Instead, you'd actually want to add sugar to make the cookies sweeter.
If you are being chased by a crocodile, just run in a straight line as fast as you can. Here's some animal facts that will blow your mind. I promise you will not know the last one. The longest living animal was a tortoise that lived for 188 years. The person that wants to marry you is the third person that appears when you click share on this video, then WhatsApp. A chicken is the closest related animal to the T-Rex. The fastest living animal is a cheetah. 20 million people share the same birthday. Comment your birthday to see who else has the same one as you. A cockroach can still live for weeks after its head is cut off. Garden snails have up to 14,000 teeth. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh more than a whole car. If you type the word cry, you will unlock a secret emoji from TikTok. The loudest animal in the world is called a howler monkey. The shortest living animal in the world is called a mayfly. Before the last one, follow me and like the video for more content like this. Snails can grow new eyes if you cut them off.
Before alarm clocks, people used fire and falling metal to wake up on time. In the 10th century, they stuck pins into candles, each pin marking a specific time. As the candle burned down, the pins would fall, making a noise when they hit a metal tray just loud enough to wake you up. To hit the snooze button, you'd have to pinch the flame. Send this to someone who sets 12 alarms and ignores all of them.
You want to hear some crazy fun facts about elephants? Did you know they're the only mammals that can't lift all 4 legs off the ground while running? And here's the kicker. They grow 6 sets of teeth, with some weighing up to a whopping 10 pounds each. Their sense of smell is simply astounding. They can detect water from 3 miles away. While they may appear all skin, elephants are actually covered in hair. Oh, and just like human babies with their thumbs, baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort. Talk about adorable, those enchanting 5-inch eyelashes, simply captivating. But wait, it gets better. Elephants can literally hear with their feet, picking up sound vibrations. They're linguistic wonders too, distinguishing between different human languages. Their memory is legendary. Some claim they never forget a thing. And yes, they don't drink water with their trunks. Elephants are herbivores and can consume up to 600 pounds of food in a single day, primarily consisting of grass, leaves, and fruits. September 22nd is Elephant Appreciation Day.